Good morning, multimedia students. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. Today, I'm going to go through very quickly, briefly, how to get text onto your video that you've been working on in Adobe Premiere. So to this point, we've gotten our hoverboard clips into the program. We've learned how to trim them, to rearrange them, to add the music to our timeline. We've put transitions on there. So now we need to title. So there's two requirements for the title. We're going to do a beginning title, and it can be as simple as just titling your video hoverboarding or something related to that. And then you're going to name someone. So you're going to title the name of at least one person in the video. So there's lots of people riding these hoverboards. You're going to pick one and just name him. So there's a couple different ways you can do this in Adobe Premiere. I'm going to show you those ways. So let's open it up. And I'm going to go to the beginning of my video. And we can go to the templates. So we can go to captions and graphics here. And we can pick one of these templates for our video. So you can go basic title, or you can go in and find one that's a little more interesting. Do lower thirds if you want. I might just do this one right here, this bold title. So what you do is you drag it over, like so. And we can do our space bar to see what it looks like. So we have to actually change what it says, obviously. So we go right over here where it says your title here in episode, so I can change this. Click in here. We'll just call it episode 1. Make this a multi-part series. Now there are different things that you can do. Here are the alignment tools. Here's sizing, positioning, the transparency you can change. So if you wanted it to be less opaque, that change the font style right here. Fill color. So let's say I don't want to. This first. Let's try that. Highlight section just like the other one. Color, we can do stroke color, white if we wanted to. Did that. So we've got our title. Another way we can do this, and we'll try this technique with naming one of these hoverboarders. Let's go to one. So we'll go to this guy, and we're going to use name this guy. So let's find that. So my windows have kind of been rearranged a bit. So this right here is normally in between these two windows, so it really doesn't matter where it's at. Just click on text and click right on the program window. We can start typing. So I'm going to call this guy Jeff. And if I wanted to change all the settings for this, so when we're in our captions and graphics window, we'll click edit and we'll see our text here. I can go in here, move bit, so maybe I'll take it to the right. I'm going to take the fill color off, so I think I'm going to make this fill color white instead. Pink. I'm going to take the stroke off. Change the font style. So let's maybe make it a script of some sort. Should be good to go. So let's see what that looks like. Cool. And it's going to last for that long. If I wanted it to be less, I can do so. So let's drag it over to the beginning of the clip, make it last for less time. Now we got a title for Jeff, and we've got a title for the beginning of our video. And those are some ways that you can get the titles onto your video. So go ahead and do it. I will see you back in class for any further assistance.